Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to change the menu language. Now you'll have to separately change it for this menu on the instrument cluster and this main screen on the dashboard. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I will show you how to change the instrument cluster language. So you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. This is left, right, OK button. You can use this button to scroll through the options. So I'll squeeze my phone in here. So keep pressing the right button until you reach these settings and then press OK. Now you want to scroll down through these settings to the second page until you reach unit and language and press OK. And at the bottom, language, press OK. You can choose between English, French and Spanish. So if I choose this, everything will change to Spanish. But I don't speak French, sorry. I don't speak French, so I will go back to English. And now I will show you how to do it on the main screen as well. Okay, so on the main screen you want to press the settings button and then you want to go right out of this menu and you will select others, and here is the language. You will select language and again you can choose between English, French and Spanish. So if you choose this, everything should change to French. Say this, I'm gonna go back to English. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.